friends, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we are going to see how to make lesson plan, and our topic for today would be internet. This is computer lesson plan. So let's see how to make this lesson plan, and this is for class 4th. So if you need any lesson plan, just comment me in this comment section below. I will try to make that in next video. So here you can see how we have to make our format. So previous knowledge, so here we can write like what students already know. So student have kind of little bit knowledge about internet, kind of computer and its types and its uses. So they have kind of little bit knowledge about that. So general aim, so in general aim we have to write what we basically want to teach to students. So I have written here like I want to teach to students like internet terms, web page, websites, world wide web, hyperlinks. So you can write like this. Specific objectives, so the same thing I have written here as general aim. So you can write it accordingly. And for teaching aids, as usual. So this is our format. You can see overall look of our lesson plan or first page of our lesson plan. Now let's see. Here you can see introduction part. So first question you can see what is computer, what are uses of computer, what is this. So basically we have to show pictures to students and they will answer Chrome and Firefox. Do you take help of these for searching any content on internet? Then student will answer yes, we take help of it. Now last question would be how to connect to the internet and what is ISP. It would be problematic for students. So after that we have to kind of announce our topic. We have to say students, I'm going to teach you topic internet. So like this we have to make our lesson plan, introduction part of our lesson plan. So this is overall look of our introduction part. So like this we have to make our lesson plan. Now students, we can like turn our page, and this is our presentation part 1. So here we have to explain everything to students. Whatever we want to teach to students, we want to teach to students, we have to teach. And after that we have to also ask question related to that. Here you can see what is internet, what are 4 important requirements to connect to internet, what is a router, and here is the answer that basically student will give to us. So here we have to also write those things that we are basically expecting from students. So like this we have to make, and here is our blackboard work. So like this you can make your blackboard work here in your, you have to paste this blackboard skills in your lesson plan also. So here you can see a last question, and here skills. So after explaining everything, teacher also with the help of teaching aid like chart or whatever, teacher has to once again explain to students. And for teaching aids I have written here chart. Now presentation 2, same thing will apply. Teacher have to explain everything properly, and after that teacher has to also ask question related to that. So what is web page, what is website, and here is the answer that we are expecting from students that they will give to us. And here is the blackboard work. So here you can see our blackboard work for presentation 2. Here you can see. Now this is overall look of our presentation part. So for presentation 1 and presentation 2, here you can see, and here we will see rest part of presentation 2. So here you can see presentation part 2, rest part of our presentation, and here rest part of our question like what is hyperlinks, what is full form of www, and here is the answer that student will give to us. Now here you can see answer that student will give to us. So here you can also see blackboard work also, here you can see. So like this we have to make our presentation part 2, rest of presentation part 2. Here is recapitulation. So I have added here 4 question, you can see here, and here is the answer that student will give to us. Like this you have to mention all those things that student will give to us. Now this would be overall look of our recapitulation and presentation, rest part of presentation part 2. Let's turn the page and let's see last part of our lesson plan, that would be application and evaluation. So for that we can give fill in the blanks to students. So I have added here 4 questions. You can see here 4 fill in the blanks that we have to ask to students. So like this we have to make our lesson plan. You can take screenshot if you want. Home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, teacher will also have to give student homework to students. So so this was our lesson plan for today. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want PDF of this, then please do comment me in the comment section below. If you need any particular video or any particular lesson plan, then you can comment me in the comment section below and I will try to make a video on that. So we will meet in next video. Till then, bye and take care.